for students maybe who are going to college during the regular school year and they need a job during the summer, we offer seasonal employee work. And this really gets somebody with their foot in the door and they can learn a little bit more about banking and they get to see different aspects of the bank.
BusinessJournalDaily.com 3 Minutes With is brought to you by Farmers National Bank.
What sort of interests or hobbies or natural abilities would lend themselves towards someone making a good fit in either finance, wealth management, banking overall?
So I think, first of all, having an aptitude with numbers or math generally helps. If you're good at counting money, if you've done that maybe as a waiter or a waitress or working in a restaurant, something along those lines, that helps. If you're good in school with math, definitely a good thing. Things that kind of go along with that, if you happen to be someone who's a sports fan and you're really into the statistics of the different players and the percentages, that's always helpful. And that could lead towards a good career here. The other thing I look at is folks that are interested in being a good servant. They're generally, they get good enjoyment out of helping others. And that is huge because that's what we do here in banking, regardless of the jobs that you do. Amber, maybe add a little more if there's anything.
Certainly, right. Where, math was not my strongest subject, but writing. I'm a writer here at the bank and I write scripts for our CEO to give speeches. I write scripts for letters that he sends to people. So I use a lot of writing and I have throughout my entire career. So really buckling down and just learning those basic skills on how to format a paper, just really pay attention to that. It's just so important and you'll use it your whole life because if you're a good communicator, it doesn't matter what you go into, you're going to be successful.
Is it necessary to have a financial background to be able to do those types of jobs in a bank?
I don't think it's necessary to have the financial background, particularly in things like like IT or marketing or even HR. Those types of disciplines, they're needed in every company. And a lot of it is very similar. It helps if you know some of the terminology, but you don't need to have a financial background to do those jobs for a bank or a wealth management firm.
And I think as you advance your career in banking, Mark mentioned that a good entry-level position here at the bank would be a teller. If you're used to and like to count money and make transactions, that's a great way to start. And if you do pursue a college degree, that's something you could do during the summer to get experience, and it's a great resume builder. But as you advance your career, working towards a bachelor's degree in any of these financial areas or marketing or information technology, all of those areas will serve you well.
Now, for the different job tracks that exist at Farmers, are there any training programs at the bank that people could take advantage of?
For students maybe who are going to college during the regular school year and they need a job during the summer, we offer seasonal employee work. And this really gets somebody with their foot in the door and they can learn a little bit more about banking and they get to see different aspects of the bank. Other programs that we have include internships. And this is a little bit more broad-based because it can really get you into some different areas. We've done interns throughout the year in our information technology area. We've done it in wealth management. We've even done it in some of the other areas like finance and accounting. And that's a great way to really get college students who are pursuing a particular degree to get some real world experience with the type of work that they would get once they graduate with their degree.
Thanks for watching the video. Be sure to like, subscribe, and hit that little bell for notifications. And also make sure to connect with us on Twitter, Facebook, and LinkedIn. For all of your business news, visit BusinessJournalDaily.com. For all of your arts and entertainment news, go to AfterHoursYoungstown.com.
BusinessJournalDaily.com 3 Minutes With is brought to you by Farmers National Bank.
I like a bank that's a pillar in my community.
I like a bank so cutting edge, they have a lab branch.
We are so alike.
Well, we do both bank at Farmers National Bank.
Farmers.
Stand strong.